Hello and welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection attorney in the state of Alabama, and a large part of my practice is suing abusive debt collectors in federal court. And one of the primary reasons that we sue these abusive debt collectors is because they lie. So let me give you an example of a very common lie. So let's say a debt collector sends you a letter and it says you owe $5,000. Now whether you owe it or not, that's not the point of our video. But they either say to you in writing or over the phone, they say, tell you what, we'll make you a deal. Pay $3,000 and you're done with this debt. Okay, maybe that's appealing to me. But Mr. Debt Collector, I need you to come off my credit report. And so again, either over the phone or in writing, they say, tell you what, you pay the $3,000, you're done with the debt, and we, the debt collector, will tell the credit bureaus, delete this off your credit report. You go, all right, you got a deal. So you write them out a check, you send them $3,000, and then 30, 60, 90 days later, maybe you're being turned down for a credit loan, and the reason is because this collection account's on your credit report. You go, well, that's kind of weird because we had a deal that they would take it off. And so maybe you call the debt collector. You say, hey, remember me? You said I owed $5,000. You told me to pay $3,000. We'd be done. It's off my credit report. And typically the debt collector will say, we never told you that. And now maybe it's done over the phone, and you go, well, here, it was on this day, and I kept good notes. And they go, we never told you that. You go, well, pull the recording because you recorded the call. Trust me, if they told you they would delete it, then that recording will be accidentally lost in a computer glitch. They'll destroy the evidence and then lie to you about it. Which, if you think about it, if they lied to you about deleting the credit reporting, why would they have a problem lying about destroying evidence? The abusive debt collectors, they don't care about this sort of stuff. But what if it's in writing? You say, well, surely if it's in writing, there's no way that they would refuse to do what they said in writing. And here's what they say sometimes. Those are just words on paper. They don't mean anything. We don't have to follow what we told you in writing. That's their attitude. So here's the appropriate response. You sue them in federal court. You sue them for money damages. Let them explain to a federal judge, to a federal jury, why those are just words on paper. Why they can lie to you and damage your credit and think they can get away with it. Because our position is they cannot get away with it. You need to sue them. So if you live in Alabama, you're dealing with a debt collector that's been mistreating you like this, give us a call, 205-879-2447. You can also reach us through alabamaconsumer.com. We'll look at your situation, kind of look at all the different options. Maybe we need to do a letter to the credit bureaus. Maybe we need to write a letter to the debt collector. But normally, the right response is, the right option is we sue these jokers in federal court and let them pay money damages, so it slowly starts to get into their mind, at least in Alabama, maybe we should not lie to consumers because they'll actually sue us in federal court and we have to write out these checks. Because that's the only thing that'll change their mind. It's not a matter of, hey, let's do business in a moral, ethical way. They could care less about that. But when it becomes too expensive for them to lie, that's when they'll stop lying. So if we can help you, just give us a call, 205-879-2447 or alabamaconsumer.com. We'll be glad to help you think through your options and sue these guys in federal court if that's appropriate. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.